In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your WordPress account. Maybe you've decided it's time to move on from blogging, or perhaps you're simply looking to clean up your online presence. Whatever your reason, by the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to completely delete your WordPress account. Before we dive in, it's important to note that WordPress doesn't actually allow you to delete your account entirely. Instead, what you can do is delete your site and disconnect your email address from WordPress. So, keep this in mind as we proceed. To begin, you need to be logged into your WordPress account. If you're not already logged in, head over to wordpress.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, go to your dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage your blog and settings. Next, locate the section labeled My Sites on the top left corner of the dashboard. Click on My Sites, and you will see a list of all the sites associated with your WordPress account. From here, choose the site you want to delete. It's crucial to double-check that you're selecting the correct site, especially if you manage multiple websites. Once you've selected the correct site, scroll down to find the Settings option on the left menu. Click on it, and you'll find yourself on the Settings page. Here, scroll down to the very bottom, and you'll see the Delete Site button. Click on this button to begin the deletion process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Before proceeding, be aware that deleting your site will permanently remove all content associated with it. This includes posts, pages, and media files, and you won't be able to retrieve them once the site is gone. If you're certain, type the name of your site into the confirmation box as requested and click on Delete this site. Now, if you wish to remove your email from WordPress to prevent any further association with your account, head over to the account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the dashboard. Select Account Settings. Look for the Account Management section, and from there, click on Close your account permanently. Completing this final step will ensure that your email is no longer tied to any WordPress account activities. And there you have it. Your site is deleted, and your email disconnected from WordPress. Remember, these steps are irreversible, so be certain about your decision before starting this process. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have further questions or need additional help.